Doorbell cameras are supposed to act like scarecrows for criminals. As soon as they see one, they should be running in the opposite direction.
Or at least that's why some people buy them. But tonight, News 8's Travis Robinson spoke with police to see if video doorbells are really making communities safer.
Police say video doorbell systems aren't a magic bullet. Now, while they don't have the stats to show whether it helped or not, police say having an extra tool on their belt doesn't hurt.
When there's a camera placed right at the entry to your house, feels like you're safe, that nobody would be brazen enough to do anything criminal near your home. But across the country, there's people committing crimes in plain view.
And criminals are inventive and will continue. I wish there was some way that we could make all that stop, but unfortunately, for all the good cases that we do solve with it, there are probably others who are working every day to try and to defeat these kinds of things, as you know.
Hendricks County Sheriff's Department says over the last couple of years, as the technologies become more and more prevalent, doorbell video has been a big help, but they can't prove more cameras means less crime.
We haven't created any kind of a registry for that product, so short of maybe using some kind of technology through the app or the company that I'm not aware of, we don't really have a way to say who has those.
Police say when a crime is caught on camera and they're notified about it, it's a great way to get a description. Since the sheriff's office isn't CSI, the camera footage is only really useful when paired with the power of community.
But if you put that onto a Facebook feed where thousands of people, even more, can see it, I mean, everybody knows somebody, right? I mean, the world is smaller than we think.
Because people can see every little thing that happens outside their home, it means police are getting more calls, and sometimes for issues that aren't crimes. But police say at least they know people are watching out and care about their community.
But that's what we're here for. So if persons think that there is a crime of some kind or even a nuisance or a civil situation that they think that we could help with, we can take those calls. Now again, sometimes we do get things that are not relevant to police work, but we can tell the folks that. I would rather people err on the side of being safe and taking care of their communities and telling us what's going on than thinking that we're too busy to help them out.
Now, if you think you've captured a crime on your video doorbell system, police say you can call them or even just email them the video. I'm Travis Robinson, Wish TV News 8.